Hi guys, it's Eriyonna and my cousin Mook over here, but her real name is
Anaya.
So yeah. And today we're going to be making slime. Yes, slime. Jiggly. We're going to try to make jiggly slime. I just thought you put water in it to make it jiggly, but I'm not sure. First when I put Elmer's glue and water and the stay flow and mix it up. But first I put I did this Elmer's glue, water, and mix it up, and it was like it wanted to transfer into slime, but it wouldn't. So yeah, I'm just gonna do opposite now. I'm gonna pour a little, it's still a little stay flow in here. If I'm saying it wrong, please guys help me. Stay flow. Yeah, I don't know how to say it. Water. I put a little water and stay flow together. I'm gonna get a little Elmer's glue. So I'm just gonna put it back on. Sorry guys. So I got it in there. Now I'm gonna mix it. Mix it. Look, it's turning into slime. It wants to form again, like the first time. But there's only a little pebble. So I'm gonna pour a little more water in there. A lot, actually. This probably doesn't turn out right, so now I'm just gonna add a little more glue. That should be enough. I don't know. So now I'm just gonna add some stick glue. Too much,
But okay, that's gonna turn out.
Yeah, I hope it turns out. It's actually turned out. All that stay flow in the middle though. Guys, look at this. This is not.
It's already starting to work.
Yeah, but I think I need it. But if you guys don't know what that is, that means like you mix it with your hands. Because some people struggle to know what the need is. This is not a good feeling. Oh my gosh, God, this lighting is so bad. Oh my God, and this is so sticky, wet, slippery. Ew, I hate it. Ew. Remember when I did the last one? It was not like this. Probably too much.
The last one they didn't see.
Yeah, true. I know that though. Guys, you should like put comments down below. Tell me what to do. Because I'm a new YouTuber, so some of my videos are going to be cringy. Oh, did we just talk about CJ So Cool?
Mm-hmm.
If we didn't, you guys should go follow him. His YouTube name is CJ So Cool.
Or you can just put CJ.
And I'll tell you a little bit about him. He's rich, famous. He was a Navy vet. But if you want to learn that from him specifically, go to his YouTube channel. It'll have CJ So Cool Part 1 about his life, world. And he came from the projects. So, but now he's living it life. Feel the sound.
This already turning into slime now.
I'll probably color this one. This one probably go on fast because it's not that perfect. Probably too.
I'll keep it.
I don't really call this jiggly, but if you guys want to call it jiggly, I think I like this one better.
Can I feel that one?
Hold on, guys. Be right back. I tried to find some, and I did not find any paint, guys. So I actually got this was my first one. I actually got some nail polish, so I'm just gonna color this one. Man, sorry. I don't know if this is gonna keep it dry or something. I don't know. I'm actually gonna put in my other slime over here. Probably mix them all up. The color's not really spreading quick, so I don't know. This slime was a fail, not that much good. But, yep. And guys, I'll probably show you how to do this one thing on my YouTube channel. It's called the floaty on Musical.ly. If you have Musical.ly, comment down below if you have Musical.ly, and if you guys when you guys say Musical.ly, I probably make a video of me doing how to do the floaty. It's really easy. I learned it from YouTube. So I was confused. I'm like, well, how was people doing this? So I had to go on YouTube to check it. So obviously, had to check it. This sound is successful. But I know this girl is craving or graving. I don't know. I'm just gonna say I'm from Chicago. That's it. So you guys would know. So I'm in Ohio right now. This is my slime. And I know she wants to play with this. I'm just gonna play with this one right here. Sorry. So like I said, I should never use this paint because it's dried right there in that little spot. And right now it's currently like 6:04 right now.
About to say it's the same.
And it's starting night, and yeah, it's daylight saving time. Oh yeah, you guys should go follow us on our Musical.ly. My Musical.ly, I have 2 Musical.ly accounts. It's Queen Airy and Aisha Mason Hair Guru, I think. But one of them is Queen Airy, where you put Airy Mason. None of them are my real names except Airy, the Eriyonna part. So, and her Musical.ly, she doesn't have a Musical.ly anymore. Oh, go follow my Snapchat at Lovely Airy or Eriyonna Mason. Yeah, and my Instagram Eriyonna Mason, Facebook Eriyonna Mason. So, bye guys. Have a fantastic Thanksgiving. Mwah.